So you're watching the third season of Gilligan's Island. It's the season finale. Gilligan's about to go off and drag, and you think to yourself, gee, how can I possibly be enjoying this right now? My cooktop is filthy. But don't worry, I'll get you right back into that comfy couch. Now, I'm sure you know all about Gunga, and all you really do is use some degreaser, get it wet, and then wipe it off. Fine, everyone knows how to do that. Yeah, wax on, wax off. I mean, shucks, we can even clean underneath the knobs. That's fine. They just pop right off, no problem. And this is good. This is fine. But as you look more closely, you realize that the couch is getting further and further away because we discover that underneath the Gunga is something far more sinister. And that is its sibling, Gungalunga. All this hard buildup on the elements. How to get rid of that? Well, this is the difficult part. If you want to get this crud off, you're going to need three things. This Ceramibrite cooktop cleaner and a razor. You're going to want to start by scraping it all off using this razor. You can probably get this online off Amazon. And you want to go straight up and down with this. Fresh razor. It gets the crud right off, just like that. Don't angle it, don't twist it in any way or you'll scratch the top. Even pressure, not too much. And just scrape. Isn't that satisfying? Look at that. Look at that. This is Gunga Lunga. Disgusting! Alright, pretty good. Next up, cleaner and scuff pad. And just circular motions. We're gonna do that over the entire cooktop and see just how much we can clean up with this. Right, wipe off with a damp towel. Then finally, for that haze-free, streak-free finish, a 50-50 distilled white vinegar and water solution and some paper towels, just like you would clean a mirror or perhaps some windows. And here is our final result. Obviously, not perfect. We couldn't get everything. This, maybe I overheated a pan or something else. This cannot go away. Obviously, my first mistake was buying a glass cooktop. But hey, everyone makes happy little mistakes. We cannot achieve perfection, but we can get pretty close to it. And that is how you remove both Gunga and Gungalunga off a glass cooktop. And now you may go back to enjoying Gilligan's Island, the season finale. You've earned it. Thanks for watching.